Welcome back. Today we are looking at the mechanical keyboard wireless Hot-Swappable 2026 YUNZII C75 wireless mechanical keyboard 75 layout. H review. Is it worth it? The mechanical keyboard wireless Hot-Swappable category has evolved rapidly in recent years, and the YUNZII C75 wireless mechanical keyboard stands as one of the most attractive and feature-rich options in 2026. Designed for gamers, office professionals, and keyboard enthusiasts, this compact 75 layout keyboard blends aesthetic beauty with high performance. Check the video description for the updated price link. The YUNZII C75 is not just about looks, it delivers a premium typing experience thanks to its gasket-mounted structure, hot-swappable PCB, and smooth candy switch feel. Whether you are typing long documents, coding, or playing competitive games, this keyboard aims to deliver consistency, comfort, and customization in one package. With tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C wired mode, it ensures flexibility across Mac, Windows, tablets, and gaming setups. Its cute cake-inspired design also makes it a standout piece on any desk setup. The YUNZII C75 is packed with modern features that make it stand out in the mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable market. Let's break down what makes this keyboard so special. The 75 layout offers the perfect balance between functionality and space-saving design. You still get essential function keys, arrow keys, and navigation buttons while saving desk space for mouse movement and accessories. This makes it ideal for gamers and minimalist setups. One of the biggest advantages is the hot-swappable PCB, allowing users to change switches without soldering. Whether you prefer tactile, linear, or clicky switches, you can easily customize your typing experience in minutes. The keyboard supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired mode. This flexibility allows seamless switching between devices like laptops, desktops, tablets, and even smartphones. The gasket-mounted design reduces typing noise and provides a soft, cushioned feel. This improves typing comfort during long sessions and enhances the overall premium experience. Dynamic RGB lighting effects allow users to personalize their setup. From subtle glow to vibrant rainbow effects, the lighting enhances both gaming and productivity environments. The YUNZII C75 is visually striking with its cute cake aesthetic. The beige color scheme combined with die-sub PBT MOA keycaps gives it a soft, premium look that stands out in any setup. The build quality feels solid and durable. The keyboard uses high-quality plastic housing with a carefully engineered internal structure that reduces hollow sound. The keycaps are resistant to shine and wear, making them ideal for long-term use. The compact layout ensures portability while still maintaining essential functionality. It is lightweight enough to carry in a backpack, making it a great option for students and remote workers. Performance is where the YUNZII C75 truly shines. The candy switches offer a smooth and satisfying typing experience with balanced actuation force. Each keystroke feels responsive, making it ideal for both gaming and typing-heavy tasks. The gasket mount system significantly reduces vibration and noise, resulting in a soft and cushioned typing feel. This makes it more comfortable for extended use compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. Wireless performance is stable with minimal latency in 2.4 GHz mode, making it suitable for competitive gaming. Bluetooth mode works efficiently across multiple devices, allowing seamless switching between work and personal devices. Battery life is also impressive, lasting several days depending on RGB usage. With RGB turned off, it can last even longer, making it a reliable daily driver keyboard. This keyboard is perfect for users who want a stylish yet functional mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable device. It is ideal for gamers who need low-latency wireless performance. Check the link in the description to get yours today.